In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the no browse filter on TikTok. So once you've loaded up TikTok, what you want to do is tap on the little plus icon in the middle of the screen there where it says tap to create for me. And then that'll take you to the record page, and then you can see it says effects at the bottom left. Tap on that. And now you can see I'm on the trending tab, and at the bottom right at the bottom left, it has that emoji with the no eyebrows. If we go ahead and tap on that, that is going to remove the eyebrows, and you can go ahead and record your video from here. But let's say you're not finding the filter from within this trending tab, what you can do is go back, then you can tap on the discover tab, and then in the search bar you want to type no browse, and then you can see it says effects at the top with no browse. Go ahead and tap on that. That's going to take you to the effects page. You can add it to your favorites from here for future use, so you can easily find it again, or you can tap the camera button at the bottom to try it now, and then you can go ahead and record your video with the effect applied. And then once you're done recording your video, you can tap on the tick mark at the bottom, and then you can go ahead and upload that to your TikTok. So that is how you get the no browse filter on TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.